Well, good morning, everybody. It's Paul from the Binary Options Advantage Trade Room set, and today we're in our daily session. It's the 14th of April 2016, our morning London and New York overlap session, and we're getting ready to trade a news event. And I'm happy to report that we've been doing very good with trading the news. We have Terry Barlow, one of our members, who takes great care in journaling all of our trading on the news. And we do a report each morning on what news events we can expect to trade on during our session and also outside of our session to be aware of. But today we have the natural gas storage trade to be taking advantage of. And this one has been working very well with us. In fact, we had Terry's mic open before, and he reported to us that this is a trade that you can expect. Well, Terry, what was it? We took it. We've been watching it for 18 news events, announcements when it was a standalone like this, and we traded it 11 times. Out of those 11 times, 9 times it has won, so 9 out of 11. 9 wins and 2 losses on trading the news, this particular news event. All of our news events in general have been paying off very well in a percentage in the money if we apply our strategy. And our strategy is what we call a red for green strategy. That's really the meat of what this video is about, how this strategy works. Normally what we see, and we don't really see it on here, but on most of the news events that we can apply our red for green strategy to, it will say that a stronger or a better than expected announcement should be taken as bullish for the U.S. currency, and positive for the U.S. currency, and negative for the if it's a negative report, it could be taken as bearish. So we apply our red for green strategy, meaning that any pair such as Euro-US that has the U.S. dollar occupying the second half of the forex pair, Euro versus U.S., it would be good for the U.S. dollar, then it would be bad for the Euro-US pair. But we're going to be playing this on Pound Canadian, US Canadian, and Aussie Canadian. When there's an energy news event, we find that the Canadian pairs, such as US Canadian, are affected more than others like Euro US dollar or that sort of thing. So when this announcement is made, we're going to see movement on, if not all of these, we'll at least see it on US Canadian. And it is what we call a red for green trade. So we'll be applying that strategy. This trade is coming up, is trading the news event, and we will have this ready to go. It looks like 2 minutes to go. We have the announcement page ready, we have the broker ready, we have the charts ready, and the traders are ready. All the traders in the trade room, we will discuss this like we do discuss each and every trade. So we basically just have to wait for the announcement to come out now and play it according to the red for green strategy, which will be a red number will be a green trade. So when we see a red announcement, we take a green trade, right, Terry? 10 seconds to go, he says. Here we go. And it looks like we're getting some green action. It is a red number. It's going to be green. Let's go with a call. Let's go with a call. US Canadian call. Boom. I'm going to take the 1 minute. If I can get it over, if the price doesn't move too much, I'm going to take the 1 minute also. US Canadian. My fingers are moving. Oops, that's Aussie Canadian. We want all US Canadian. There it is. Let's see if the price moved too much. No, it's not moving that bad, so I'm going to take the 1 minute as well. Here we go. We're in. We're in on the 2 minute and the 1 minute. Now we can watch the trade on the charts here. We got a little bit different price by 5 pipettes. It looks like it is dropping now. Let's watch it move. Let's go. This should be rising up. A red for green trade. There we go. We're in the money on the 60-second trade. We're well in the money on the 2 minute trade. So there we go. We are in it. You're seeing it in real time. This is our red for green strategy on trading the news. We apply this not only to the natural gas, but to the CPIs, all the trade the news that is applicable for the red for green. Look at that. Look at that nice green spike. So there's a little more nuances to this red for green strategy. If you join our group, you'll learn them all, just like you'll learn all of our strategies, because we discuss each and every trade strategy before we take the trade or during the trade. There we go. Win a chicken dinner on the 60-second. Instant payout with CT option. Another reason we love them so much is they don't run that validation scam at the end of the trade and try to take your money from you. Alright, there we go. The 2 minutes a winner. The 1 minute's a winner, and the 2 minute is on its way to being a winner. Wow, nicely done. So we're going to start this session off. These are the first 2 trades of the session. We are in a in the money week. We have in over 2.5 years of running trade rooms like this every day. Win a chicken dinner. 2-0 on trading the news. Continues to be one of the most successful trade the news events that we have. So anyhow, this you can take to the bank, and the point is that we have this strategy on trading the news for all the news events that we can possibly apply our strategy to, as well as many other strategies you can see in our YouTube channel here, and you can see in our Facebook group. So if you want information on how to join us, we do have a $7 7-day trial where you can just spend $7 and get a look at us and get 7 trading days out of it, or it amounts to 5 trading sessions. So we do invite you to come on board and check us out. And we've been doing this, like I say, every single day for over 2.5 years now, as of 2.5 years. Boy, it was August 2014. Yeah, I think so. Anyhow, thanks for coming on board, folks. You just saw how we trade the news and how we win. These charts, by the way, are called the classic charts. I have them in a bear mode right now, B-A-R-E, but we do have these charts available to our members when they become a gold member and they qualify. You can download these charts, as well as not only the classic charts, which are refreshing right now, but you can also download the rainbow crossing charts. So that's the rainbow crossing charts, and we have 4 strategies. By the way, all of these strategies are detailed in our members area. Here's a chart templates page in our members area. On our web page, on our website, that you will see when you click on links for our marketing. You'll go to the home page. You can join on the home page. But you'll see we have a members only area where you have to log in with your credentials, and we have all this and more resources available to you, including a video for each and every one of our strategies in practice, in real time, on winning trades, so you can see exactly how the videos work. How the trade strategies work. You'll have to log in here. Let's briefly do that, and we'll just give you a quick look, inside baseball, as it were, what you can expect as even a trial member for the $7 trial. You do also get access to the members area during your 7-day $7 trial, as a gold member would. And here's the home page for the members area. You see we have a resource page. We click on that, and you will then be taken to the resource area, which has downloads and videos and all kinds of helpful things to help you become an aspiring professional trader along with us. We make traders, not gamblers, and we've been doing it for over 2.5 years. Follow this plan to profit. That's required video viewing. It has a spreadsheet that you can download right here. That's also featured in the video. You got to watch that video. Here's all the strategy videos, all laid out for you, all with instructions, all in real time, taking a trade online during a session, so you have proof positive that the strategies work, and they are training videos available to you. Thanks for coming on board and watching the video on trading the news. Happy trading, everybody.